Hey guys, this is Hank. It is July 30th, 0001. I'm sitting here in my backyard on the patio, and we are sun gazing. The sun is over there, you can see it. So we're not really facing the sun, we're just in it. There's Mr. Charlie. And let's see. There's Zoe. She can't be bothered with sitting around on concrete. She might flop down on the grass. Look at my backyard. It's turning into a jungle. That's the weeping willow in the backyard. Oh, let me lay down. I want to. You can see that tree there. It's beautiful. Look how big that is. But look at the vines. They're growing all the way across. I can't express or impress or stress how important it is to get out into nature, to be surrounded by trees and flowers and plants. Oops. And animals. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching and listening. Love and light. Namaste. Alright guys, no licking in the face.